going on, y'all? It's your boy, Skull 910, and I'm back. And today, finally, the 7-Eleven is finally open. Well, they have two of them just open up in Fayetteville. One on Ramsey Street and one on Santa Fe. But the one on Ramsey Street been open already for about a month or so. But the one right here on Santa Fe just opened up like yesterday, day before yesterday. So we about to go up here and see what they got. And another thing, I tried to get the app. I got the app on my phone so I could get me some rewards, but for some reason it won't let me like sign and accept the terms, whatever. So I'm just gonna go up here and order me something. Maybe they got like a card or something I could get and like do it through the card. Who knows? But yeah, before I start, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite food to get at 7-Eleven. But one thing I already know about this one right here in Fayetteville, it's not like the one back in Texas. See, the one in Texas serves tacos, like burritos, like the beans, rice and beans, you know, like real Mexican, Tex-Mex, whatever you want to call it. So I'm about to go see over here what they really have. You know what I mean? The chicken, I know at 7-Eleven was good. I had the chicken, egg rolls. You know what I mean? So I'm about to see. So I'll see y'all when we pull up. All right, we're pulling up. 7-Eleven. Oh, I could have went right there. Well, I'll take the scenic route. We'll go this way. Bojiggities. Okay. I can finally drive around the parking lot. Last time I had it closed. So I'm gonna ride. See if I can find me a park. Okay, see the outside look like. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. My first time rapping on somebody else's beat. So now y'all can really hear me speak. Cause when I speak, I know what I'm talking about. I don't waste my breath, no doubt. So what the fuck you copping please for? You did it, boy. No news, no need to be feeling pitiful. Now you're critical for fucking with that scope, boy. Now you ain't critical for fucking with scope. 2-6 represent a bitch, you know I kill it. One time taking it, your boy Skull never faking it. Cause what you see is what you get, how can I take this shit? Cause your boys always sucking niggas, that's it. So sit back, break glass, catch a contact. Cause I'm spitting up my flame when you hear that boy act. Woo! 2-6 and we doing this. I'm really vibing, killing shit with no pistol. I make you move with a pistol. I make it groove. Ooh. Okay. Alright, nice. It's nice in here. We got the beer. A beer over here. Okay. Decent in here. I might give it some chicken wings. Alright. Piece of wings. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Yes. Check out these wings. Not that hot. I'll be right back. Alright, we back. Yeah. I couldn't eat no cold food, so y'all had to go warm it up just a little bit and put a little Parmesan cheese on there. You know what I mean? So I get the full effect. And that piece is real hot right now. And also, I had to warm my wings up, of course, too. And had to give me some ranch. Because they ain't had none in the store. So yeah, like I was saying, this is kind of chicken I said it was. Buffalo chicken wings. The 5 count for $6.99. Let's do it again. Here we go. Got that ranch in the middle. Buffalo chicken wings. Check them out. Let's go for the bite. And 7-Eleven. Y'all can start cooking these wings hard. For gas station wings, they decent. I was trying to record a little bit, but I know I seen this dude. I know he was trying to get a job up there. I think he's working at McDonald's. No, he works somewhere, but I know he stay around here. So I recorded a little bit, but I ain't really, record like I really want to. Plus, I was still in my uniform too, so. Felt kind of funny. But y'all seen that just, well, my next video is gonna be better. This right here, this like on the humbug. I mean, even though I knew they was about to open up and I couldn't wait. So they finally did. And now I'm straight. Alright, so I just ate a leg. Now I'm gonna eat one of these flats. See how these flats doing. It's not a buffalo, it's kind of, that's real wet there. Oh man, one of the workers in there, like fixing food, they've changed the food. And she had a whole lot of egg rolls left, little Tito's, whatever you call them, little thing. A whole slew of them. They're about throwing away. Well, I ain't know she was throwing away. I thought she like putting them on, either making them for order, like putting them in the, where to keep the food at, like y'all seen on the video, and that little case, little heating cabinet, whatever. It was about, I seen at least about 10 egg rolls. I seen some sausage dogs, probably some hot dogs. And it was, I said, is that for free? She told me, no, it's trash. So they already throwing a whole lot of food away. 7-Eleven, y'all already wasting money. Y'all dropping all that stuff too early. Because it was just sitting. Like y'all see on this chicken, they said they prepared at 8:25. Well, prepare 8:25, and so it's a whole time for 2 hours. Because prepared on 8:25, it expired at 10:25. So the whole time for the chicken is 2 hours. But I don't know what the time is for the egg rolls, and everything got the little roller thing. That's what it came up for, the roller. I should have took a picture of it. I should have. Hopefully I did, but I know I didn't. Cause that time I already had my food in my hand. So I already stopped recording. The wings is decent. A little spicy. Now let's try this pizza out. And the pizza was oh, there you go. I didn't know they had on it too. But the pizza was $1.89 for a slice of pepperoni. And I believe you could have got two for like $2.98 or something like that. But I ain't need two right now. I just need one to check it out. See how good 7-Eleven pizza is. But look at it. Nice pepperonis. I mean, you know, for it's pretty decent thickness on it. Let's see what kind of pizza it is. Is it a Tony's pizza or the Giorno? Nah, not the Giorno. But here we go. Let's taste it. It kind of got a DiGiorno taste to it. It's hot too. If any of y'all on here work at 7-Eleven or even know what kind of pizza this is, comment down below, let me know. Is it Tony Pizza, DiGiorno, Red Baron? What's up? Brick oven. But it's decent though. Nah, it don't really got no DiGiorno taste, I don't think so. Nah. It's not DiGiorno. Now it tastes like one of those Walmart pizzas that you get out the freezer section. Not in the plastic wrap. No, it's not in the box. They got the plastic around it. And they just say cheese, pepperoni pizza, or supreme. Yeah. Bro. Oh, I could definitely taste that. That's the kind of pizza there. So yeah, comment down below, let me know if y'all know what kind of pizza it is. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe. A closed mouth don't get fed, so if I don't see it, they ain't gonna feed me them subscribers. But I appreciate y'all. I'm currently at 651 subscribers, y'all. Man, y'all is too much, man. I think I'll be at 700 this month. Let me go ahead and say it. I don't know. Thanks to y'all guys. Y'all been coming through. I don't even know it. So I need 49 more subscribers to get there 700. I told y'all, and I showed y'all that last month I have gotten 64 subscribers last month, and I say I can't even believe that. You know what I mean? That's what's up. That's all right. That's all right. 700 before you know it. But yeah, this Friday we don't have a football game today. Rest over. They have a bye week this week, so I guess the kids going to the other football games around here. So no football game tonight, guys. Next week. We get no football videos tonight, but I'm still gonna give y'all a video. Cause I know Friday nights I usually have my football video from the game. And since we're not playing this week, no Friday nights under the lights. So this is what y'all gonna get today. Some 7-Eleven mukbang. And also did like 2 smaller videos earlier. One of me putting together something from the job, from the new POP, from the new strawberry twist, and strawberry something little slush. So those out, and them chicken roll tacos is out too. So I know how y'all been hitting them up. How y'all hit them chicken roll tacos? And look, I'm already rolled out already, bro. I done ate too many of them already. I don't even really care for them. They good, but I don't want them. And look, yeah, I also have me a egg roll. Got me a 7-Eleven egg roll. I love the egg rolls, but that'll be for later. I love the egg rolls. Alright, finna eat my chicken. Got that good old ranch on there. Ooh, look at that buffalo. Ooh, wee. Don't worry about the finger. That's a nasty job. Somebody gotta do it. I just wish the skin wasn't so my fault. Clean your mouth, go. And that's the type of stuff I be talking about, but I'm watching the other few videos and they be eating and they be looking so nasty, stuff the other, you know what I mean? So yeah. Well, who could be cute when you eat? We passed the cute stage. We passed the cute stage, baby. We straight eating. You can look cute you want to. You're gonna be starving. So. Well, and also have me 2 pressure washing jobs coming up. Matter of fact, when I get off of here making this video, I gotta go. And it's right down the block too. I just gotta go down here. Even though I know where the house is, but you know what I mean, I know what it look like, but I gotta go look at it and really see how bad it is. Cause I know he remodeled it.
I mean, when he bought it the first time, but now he about to sell the house, so he want to get the pressure wash. So I need to go down there, give him like an estimate, see how, you know what I mean, what I'm gonna do for it, because he want me to do the house and the driveway. So, you know what I mean, it can still get, you know what I'm saying, brand new look again. Like, even though the house, like, he bought this house maybe about 2-3 years. I don't know. It's been that long, maybe so. So he was doing a whole lot of renovating on it. I mean, from the I know he fixed the roof. He got a new driveway. So driveway is fairly new, but you know, I know the people who stayed there before. I know they parked in the driveway, and I remember he had an Impala. So probably got a little oil stains down there. You know what I mean? So he want me to do the driveway, do the house. And you know what I mean? I know he had fresh paint on there too, but so it's not gonna be a hard job. So I gotta go down there and do an estimate on that one. And I have another one down the block on Shaw Road, another one of his properties. So I have to go check that out too. He gotta send me the address on the one on Shaw Road, but he don't have to send me the one right down the block because I already know where that house at. So I'm gonna go down there after I finish this video, and you know I'm gonna take y'all with me so I can give my estimate. You know what I mean? See what I'm gonna do, how I look. So that'll be the before. Then y'all get the after I'm done with it. I have one more piece of chicken left. Woo! And I'm already getting full. But I'm definitely gonna eat this chicken. Yeah, and this is a big old wing too. How thick that wing is. But it's not all meat though. I mean, I like skin, but real skin. And I don't know what kind of chicken wing this is. I don't know if it's some Tyson chicken, Smithfield chicken, but this one right here, when wings are this big and thick, you gotta make sure the internal temperature is right and get done on the inside, okay? Like the skin, it's like, oh, I don't like that. I can't do it that one. Yeah, like, you said you was full. Yeah, full. I couldn't pay the last full. But yeah, this your boy, Sko 910. And he about to get ready to go. So before he goes, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to his channel, yo. Cause we going up to the top. But yeah, this is boy Sko 910. Sign out till next time. Peace.